Hello everyone and welcome to a new playlist on operating systems. In this series we'll break down the core concepts of operating system, make them easy to understand. So this is our first video. Let's dive into what an OS and why it's crucial for the computers. So let's divide it into small sections. First, what is an OS? So let's write this down. Suppose there is this user and there is this operating system, and then we have the hardware. Okay, so keep this picture in mind. So if a user has to interact with the hardware, right, directly, then he has to write a lot of code even for small function. But with OS, that is not the case. You have to write some code and it will take care of it and appropriately. So OS will generate the system calls. Without OS, it's very difficult to operate on hardware. So we'll come to what is system calls and all. So before that, so if we give an analogy, or let's say if we want to write an definition, we can say that an OS, okay, is like the manager of your what computers hardware and software. I'm writing it in short forms. So now this helps the computers different parts work together and make sure everything runs smoothly. So I just wrote this so that it's easy to grasp. So think of it as the boss that coordinates between various components. When you open an application, the OS makes sure that the software has access to CPU, memory, and other resources it needs. Without OS, the running of application would be chaotic. So this is the section, just a small introduction. So in the next video, we'll see section 2. Okay, I'm purposely making it a shorter video so that we can have attention. So in the next video, we'll see the interaction with hardware. What do we mean by that? Okay. So thank you for joining in. Please stay tuned to the next video that will come up. Thank you. Goodbye.